In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more authentication providers in Salesforce. If you want your users to sign in with their existing identities from a trusted third party, like an enterprise identity provider or a social login, authentication providers make that possible. They enable single sign-on to your Salesforce org and even your Experience Cloud sites, reducing password fatigue and improving security. To get started, open Salesforce and click the gear icon in the top right. From the menu, select Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the administrative area where all configuration happens. Once you're in, use the Quick Find search box to look for Auth, Providers, and select it. This page lists any authentication providers that are already configured in your org. It's a great place to review what's active today and to keep your setup organized. You'll also see a brief explanation here. With authentication providers, your users can log into your Salesforce org or Experience Cloud site with single sign-on using credentials from a third party. In short, Salesforce trusts a provider you specify to verify the user's identity. To add a new one, click New. You're now creating the connection to that identity source. First, select the provider type. Common types include openid Connect, SAML, and various social providers. The fields that appear next will change depending on the type you choose, so focus on what your provider requires. Next, enter all the other details needed to set it up correctly. For openid Connect, you'll typically provide items like a client identifier and secret, authorization and token endpoints, and any scopes the provider expects. For SAML, you'll see fields such as the issuer, entity ID, and certificate information. Social providers usually ask for an app ID and secret created in their developer portal. You may also see options for naming the provider, choosing a user-friendly login icon, and selecting how user information maps into Salesforce. These settings help ensure users are recognized and provisioned the way your organization expects. Keep sensitive values secure, and rely on your identity provider's documentation for the exact entries. When everything looks good, click Save. Salesforce will store your configuration and display handy details like generated callback URLs and metadata specific to your provider type, which serve as references for your broader identity setup. From here, your new authentication provider is ready to be used where appropriate in your org or Experience Cloud sign-in experience. That's all. You've successfully added an authentication provider in Salesforce, giving your users a simpler, more secure way to sign in.